Starting from today, the full Huawei P30 series will be available in the Kenyan market. Starting with the P30 Lite to the P30 Pro. This is the P30 Lite that we have for review. Let's see what you get inside the box. Something that stands out with the P30 series is that they are focused on photography, and something that's common across the board with the P30 Lite to the P30 to the P30 Pro is that they all have a 32 megapixel selfie camera. Where's the knife? It's a clean, almost not. So here's the phone. It feels pretty light. SIM remover, nothing. I wonder why you have such a box with nothing. Okay, then this is the charger. Is it the 40-watt charger? Nope. I think that one will be with the P30 Pro. And then USB Type-C cable, which is good. And then earphones. That's pretty much it to the unboxing. There's nothing else to expect, but I got this color. Look at that. I hope the camera can get these details pretty well. Look at that. So I'm just reading the specs of the P30 Lite as it turns on. I hope it has enough charge. It comes running Android 9 Pie with EMUI 9.0. The processor is the high silicon Kirin 710, which is a 12 nanometer processor. It has a dual SIM, an IPS LCD display with 6.15 inches full HD with a pixel density of 415 ppi. This version has 6 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of internal storage. The back cameras, at the back there is the 24 megapixel wide angle f1.8, and then there is an 8 megapixel ultra wide angle for ultra wide shots, and then there's a 2 megapixel depth sensor for portraits. The selfie camera is a 32 megapixel f2.0 sensor. It has Bluetooth 4.2 NFC supported. It has USB 2.0 Type-C. It has a fingerprint at the back. It has an unremovable, obviously, 3340 milliamp battery. So the battery size is 3340 with the charger that's 18 watt. This is an 18 watt charger. In Kenya, it will be sold for about 29,000. So it competes directly with the Poco phone. It competes directly with the overly priced Infinix 06, which is just badly priced. It competes with the new Samsung A50, which is a really good phone, also with 3 cameras. So I'm waiting to see how people choose which device to buy. I'm checking if it supports fiber 4G in Kenya, but I'll update that in the full review. So yeah, that's the new P30 Lite. You can get it from stores across the country, I believe, and if you wait for the review, it will be on techish.com, and it will detail everything from the display to the performance, which I expect to be really good because Huawei has been releasing pretty good phones this year, and I don't expect this to be an exception in any way because it's part of the flagship lineup, even if it's pretty affordable. So yeah, that's the home. You have to enable something to get the launcher, to get the app drawer. But if you're used to EMUI, your home, if you're not used to EMUI, you'll get pretty much lost. And I feel EMUI is the only drawback with Huawei devices. Rather than that, they are really good devices. So expect a full review in the coming weeks. Tell me what you think about this color. Tell me what you think about the design of the phone or the display. I don't know if the camera can show the display. I'm using the Nokia 7.1 to shoot these videos. So with the quality, you know this is a phone, not a full camera. So yeah, subscribe. Full review will be up soon.